what to you are the core challenges in managing industrial data as you look to sort of like adopt data-driven practices at scale?
Yes, I mean, for us particularly, and Scania is quite a big company, and we have been working under this distributed sort of setup where you actually have a lot of silos. So basically, we have these different production sites, and in each production site, those they are basic, or they have been, I mean, Scania is a very old company. They have been basically independent, so they have been able to take their own decisions. And that is one of the drivers for Scania actually to be so successful. But that comes with a cost, especially nowadays, where we actually have a lot of silos and technical depth and a lot of different architectural setups in the different factories. And that was a big effort that we started working with when I was in my previous role. And then we started to try to change. But the challenge here is that you're starting to work with central and general strategies, and it's still very much in the culture for the different units to take their own decisions. So that has had repercussions towards how we handled data and how we manage it. So that has been a big challenge to start to try to have some kind of more of a centralized overview and governance. So we don't want to control the PRUs, but to have a way that we can actually have some common approach on how we manage data. So we have been working a lot on trying to create some kind of both from a strategic and target architecture direction to set the baseline, and then put some or all of the different data management tools that we need to have in place to support that journey. But we still nowadays today, even though we have come quite further, we still nowadays have a lot of challenges, for example, both in terms of finding information owners and how to connect the data. How do we secure that the data in one PRU can be so that we can compare it to the data that we are collecting it with the other PRUs. So we have made quite a lot of progress. We have put in place a number of different data management tools that we're trying to rely to support us in that journey. But it's still a constant effort that we need to make in terms of getting everyone to while we try to enable for them to really get into that and really start to have this kind of data management setup where we can leverage the data that we are collecting. So we are very good at it on a factory floor level. We have quite advanced solutions on the PRU level, and now we are trying to get better so that we can share information on the whole company level and so on. But still a lot of challenges, which I guess it's very common to these kind of companies.